Typing the same login details every time can get old pretty quickly. Chrome can save your passwords securely and fill them in when you return to a website. In this guide, I'll show you how to save passwords in Google Chrome, turn on password saving, and manage saved logins. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. On the Settings page, select Autofill and Passwords from the menu on the left. Then open Google Password Manager. Inside Google Password Manager, open Settings. Make sure the option called Offer to Save Passwords is turned on. When this setting is enabled, Chrome will ask whether you want to save your password after you sign in to a website. Now visit the website where you want to save a password and sign in as usual. After you enter your username and password, Chrome should show a Save Password prompt. Click Save and Chrome will store the login in Google Password Manager. The next time you visit that site, Chrome can fill in the saved details automatically. If Chrome does not show the save prompt, you can add the login manually. Open Google Password Manager again, then click Add. Enter the website address, username, and password, then click Save. Use this option carefully and only save passwords for websites you recognize and trust. To manage saved passwords, stay in Google Password Manager and select the website from your password list. Chrome may ask you to confirm your Windows password or device sign-in before showing the password. From there, you can view the password, edit the saved username or password, or delete the entry if you no longer use that account. Before you finish, open Password Checkup in Google Password Manager. Chrome can flag passwords that may be weak, reused, or exposed in a data breach. If Chrome recommends changing a password, update it directly on that website and save the new version when Chrome asks. This is a quick way to keep your account safer, and that's how to save passwords in Chrome. Turn on the Save Password option, choose Save when Chrome asks, and use Google Password Manager to update or remove logins whenever you need to. You know, keeping your saved passwords organized makes signing in much easier.